Hi! Today, we are going to help you find the best flooring for your garage. We are going to review 6 types of use cases so you can find the best option for you, no matter your situation. Let's get started. Let's start with the best budget garage flooring. In that category, your best bet is epoxy paint. Epoxy paint is a type of garage floor coating that's applied as a liquid, which then hardens into a glossy finish. It's a cost-effective solution for budget-conscious garage owners. It provides a sleek appearance and helps protect your concrete floor from stains, chemicals, and scratches. However, it's not the most durable solution, and you need real preparation for best results. Next, let's see which flooring is the champion of durability. For this, a polyurethane coating is the best. It is known for its extreme toughness, resistance to damage, and fast curing time. Polyurethane coatings are incredibly durable, can be installed quickly, and are capable of withstanding UV damage in heavy traffic. However, the cost of the material is high, up to $7 per square foot, and you will probably need a professional to install it properly. Now, you want a great floor, but keeping your garage clean should not be a chore. So which floor is the easiest to clean? In this area, polished concrete is the best. Polished concrete involves grinding the surface of the concrete floor to achieve a smooth finish. Polished concrete only requires little more than a damp mop or a light sweep to clean. It's also highly resistant to stains, and it stays cool during hot summers. But the cost can be high, mainly because it involves specialized equipment, labor, and multiple steps. Next, let's see which option is the easiest to cut. Look no further than interlocking PVC tiles. They are modular and snap together like a puzzle. These tiles are incredibly easy to install. You don't need special tools, and allow you to create a customized floor to cover specific areas. But their material may be thin. They can shift with the interlocking mechanism, and they may wear and tear in high traffic areas. You could also live in an area with extreme weather. If that is the case, consider porous pavement. Porous pavement is a permeable surface made of interlocking concrete pavers or similar materials, allowing water to drain through. In harsh climates, porous pavement prevents water from pooling, reducing the risk of cracks and damage, and where freezing and thawing can cause damage. It's an ideal choice. Also, since it allows rainwater to be naturally filtered, it reduces runoff and the risk of flooding. But professional installation may be needed because it requires precise site preparation and material selection, and the finished surface may be rougher than other options. Ultimately, if you have heavy vehicles in your garage, you need a specific garage floor. For that, a polyaspartic coating is perfect. Polyaspartic coatings are similar to epoxy but offer superior strength and durability. A polyaspartic coating can handle the immense weight and wear and tear of heavy vehicles. It has a rapid curing time and is also resistant to oil, chemicals, and UV rays. But it costs around $12 per square foot, and professional help is needed for efficient application. There you have it, the best garage floor options to suit your needs. And now that you have a great garage floor, you'll want to keep it that way. Perfect timing. We put together another video with 5 easy steps to clean your garage floor in no time. Make sure that you don't miss out on any of them. Watch that video now and get started.